What if your slide objects could move, transform, and flow without using complex animations? That's exactly what Morph does in PowerPoint. Morph is a smart transition that lets you animate objects across slides in a custom, fluid way. And today, I will show you exactly how it works step by step. To use Morph, you start with two slides, one as the original and the second as the changed version. PowerPoint compares the object across these two slides and animates the transformation in between. Now let's see how you can do different types of animations using Morph. Let's start with motion. Here I have moved and rotated this shape between slides, and Morph animates that smoothly. You can also do entrance and exit. By duplicating slides and adding or removing objects, Morph creates entrance and exit effects. Then you can also do zoom and scroll effects. Want to zoom into a diagram or scroll across a landscape? Morph handles that by scaling and repositioning duplicated background images. In text animations, you can use the effects option and choose the character level animation. When you choose character level animation, it will apply a very different kind of animation called kinetic typography. You can also do color change using Morph animations. When you change the color of a shape or an object from one slide to another, Morph can animate the color changes. Watch how this shape smoothly shifts from blue to red. Morph makes your presentation look dynamic and professional with almost no effort. Now that you know how it works, try adding Morph to your own slides and bring your content to life. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with others. Before you go, if you ever need to turn your ideas into beautiful customized presentations fast, try Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin. It helps you create stunning, tailored presentations in seconds. From scripts to titles, live keynotes to handouts, and even instant translations. It's all just a click away. Try it now at Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin.